In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Facebook page ownership. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hand over control of a Facebook page safely and smoothly without missing any important steps. Start by logging into Facebook with the account that already has administrator rights on the page. This is essential because only an existing admin can transfer ownership level access. If you manage multiple profiles, make sure you've switched into the correct page profile before moving on. Once you're in, head to Settings. On desktop, open the menu in the top right, choose Settings and Privacy, then select Settings. If you're using the latest page experience, this brings you to the control center for your page. Look for the section called Page Access. Depending on your version of Facebook, it may also appear as Page Roles. This is where Facebook centralizes who can manage the page and what level of control each person has. To add the new owner, click Add New. In the prompt, enter the person's name or the email associated with their Facebook account. Take a moment to confirm the details so the invite goes to the right person. Next, choose the role. Select Admin or Full Control, depending on what your interface shows. Full control in the new page's experience is effectively ownership level access, giving the person the ability to manage settings, content, permissions, and even other admins. Only grant this to someone you fully trust because they will have the same level of authority you do. When you're confident, click Add to send the invitation. The person you added must accept the invite. They'll get a Facebook notification and may also receive an email. Let them know to check notifications and the email linked to their Facebook account and to accept promptly so the transfer isn't delayed. After they accept, be aware of an important security rule. Facebook can impose a waiting period of up to 7 days before the new admin or full control access is fully active. This is normal and helps protect pages from unauthorized changes. During this time, don't worry if you don't immediately see the new role reflected everywhere. Keep an eye on the page access section to monitor the status. That's all you need. Log in as an admin, open your page's settings, go to page access, add the new person with admin or full control, have them accept, and give Facebook up to 7 days to finalize it. Handle access carefully, double-check the recipient's details, and communicate clearly so the handoff goes smoothly. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your transfer.